3 steps to increase or start a business, okay? Step number 1, find out what you're good at. Find a high quality skill you can utilize, right? So you could be great at YouTube. You could be great at Facebook ads. You can be great at Facebook organic. You can be great at the stock market. You can be great at, you gotta be great at something. And if you're not, it's time to pick up a book, okay? Find a new skill. The best way to find a new skill is to take a program. Kind of like going to college, going to university, but actually finding a specific niche that you're interested in. Getting that platform, getting that program, educating yourself, digging deep, and then applying your knowledge, okay? Then you have a high income skill, all right? So number 2, you gotta get yourself out there. Mingle, talk to people, get on social platforms at a real level, not just trying to sell people stuff, but add value to people, build networks, build relationships. You know, I've made so many nice relationships recently, built brotherhoods, met so many different cool men, women, everyone all around the world, all through networking, okay? I've learned so much over the last year, okay? Networking is huge, so you want to get yourself out there. If you're camera shy, get yourself on a blog, right? Get yourself on a blog. If you're scared of the blog, you're not the best writer, get on podcasts, right? You don't like podcasts, you gotta do something, all right? Just get yourself out there, do it anyways. No one looks good on camera, no one cares. Just be you, okay? Someone's gonna find you that likes you for you, and they're gonna appreciate what you have to offer in the space. Then you can make it happen, all right? Number 3, you gotta hold yourself accountable, right? Make a schedule, make a list of goals, find out what your next steps are. Even if it's $5, I wanna make $5 today, I wanna make $10 today, I wanna make $100 today, I wanna make 10 calls, I wanna make 100 calls. Write them down, cross them off. If you didn't accomplish it, hold yourself accountable the next time, all right? Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Jumpstart your business, kill it, forget the pandemic, you got this. David Wynn out.